Good morning, everybody. What a glorious frozen day to work on some cars and motorcycles. Well, today I think we're actually gonna end up doing a little bit more tooling setup just because I didn't get to it. And, oh, gotta take the trash in. One sec. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Make It and Break It. My name's Andrew, and we're just getting stuff done today. We're gonna try to do this a little bit more vlog style, just because I tried a video like that recently. Oh no! Stop! Ah! Turn off. And I like the style, so we're gonna try that out and see how it turns out. Let me know what you guys think of this style in a description down below. Oh God, I forgot to get. Anyway, it's early in the morning. I did all my morning stuff. I was gonna film that and kind of do a day in the life thing, but my alarm got set wrong. So anyway, we're off to the tool store, my favorite tool store of Harbor Freight, to get the rest of our fabrication station material. So let's go.
Yeah, cool. It's like hype noise just. Oh, tilt it. Yeah. Either that or we can. Oh, there it goes. Almost. Man, we made it. Perfect. All right. Thanks, man. Yep.
That was really easy. I need to get me one of those lifting tables. No, I don't. I don't need more tools. All right, I need to go buy the dog some dog food. Hold on. I'm sure there's a correct dog food, but I don't know what it is. So let's pick the big one, because Joey's a big dog. He'll be fine. Meat, cheese, and Red Bull. Breakfast of frickin' champions. But it was batch of the weekend for me, so I'm lazy, and what are you gonna do? All right, breakfast is done, and we gotta get this thing out. Safety tips: lift with your back, not with your knees. If you're lifting several hundred pounds, definitely lift by your own. Don't wait for anyone to help you, and don't stretch. Stretching's for suckers.
Answer.
Old man. I think they run year-round schools, or at least she runs in like one of those, like, she basically works at Hogwarts. Stay in here, bub. Joey. Joey. Come on in. So this is kind of the setup I'm envisioning here. We have our bandsaw that you saw me making episode or two ago, whenever that was. You saw the bandsaw that I was assembling. This is our tube notcher setup. So I set this up with our little fitment tool, just to kind of show you how it works. It's gonna come somewhere like here, so it doesn't extend past the edges of the table. And the idea here is that depending on where I need to put it and what the sort of tubing configuration is, I can rotate this one because of these notches on the bottom. So this allows me to rotate it so I have access here through about here. And I can rotate it like this. And in fact, it'll let me rotate it through its entire range of motion and pretty much use it in whatever configuration I need to with this vise setup right here. So that's the other piece here, is having a vise at your work table, at your fabrication table, your fabrication station is pretty awesome. So the idea here is that we save as much use of all of these items as possible while still giving myself some workspace in the middle here when I need it. So we're gonna need to get these mounted. That means another trip to the store because I don't think ahead. And here she is, our fabrication cart, or the beginnings of it, because there's still more to come when I get some time to put it all together. So now we can just take things like some of our fabrication tools that we made. You can get this out of the way, please. Toss like our pipe templates in here, our layout tools, our 90-degree clamps, and a bunch of other fabrication stuff, and throw that into our drawers for whenever we need them, because when we're using these, we're probably also going to use this, or this, or this, or some combination of all of these tools. So this is pretty exciting. And now we're going to go roll it back into place, but I'm not going to make you guys watch any of that. All right, just took a quick shower, now I'm off to the airport. It seems like the best way to get your then girlfriend out of town is to propose to her, and then she wants to go to, you know, some town with all of her friends to brag. Actually, she had the trip planned before I proposed, but, well, just ended up working out fine. You okay, Joe? We'll be back soon, okay? Love you. It's a weird look. Let's go. Okay, and we're back for the final thing of the day before I go to sleep, and that's get this stuff out of the way. So you can see we've got some stands down here. I broke down, instead of making the stands I designed earlier, I just broke down and bought a version of them because I'm already behind on everything else. Building another stand set will just put me behind another day. So we're gonna get this thing up and out of the way, hopefully, right now. So yeah, we are using proper safety procedures. I've got my comfortable work shoes on. If you've got a favorite pair of work shoes, definitely put that in the comment section down below. And let's put this stuff on here. So apparently there was coolant still in there. Okay, and the engine is on its rolly stands, and it seems to roll around decently well. It's on 4 swivel roller wheels, so that should be good for positioning it. Hopefully we don't have to pull the exhaust manifolds to do that, but I'm not going to do that in this video because it's late and I want to go to bed. I did want to note one thing about our engine mounts, is that they needed to be replaced. Maybe not surprising to those of you who saw this engine run. This is supposed to be one piece. In fact, I think these are filled engine mounts, so there's supposed to be a liquid in between these. A lot like how this one is mostly one piece, but you see this separation. These ones are going to fail too at some point. That was probably the result of a lot of the vibrations we were feeling in the car with the engine on. This thing just gone and not working. So these need to be replaced, and they're a pain in the ass to replace anyway. So I mean, it's not a good thing that we had to pull the engine and give up on the project, but, well, this stuff would have really sucked to go work on, as well as the oil pan, which we still have it full of oil right now. But now we can actually work on it a lot easier because it's going to be relatively accessible whenever we want to go do that. So, I think we're going to call it there, everybody. Let me know what you think of this format. Hopefully it comes out good like I envisioned it in my head. I don't actually know since I'm shooting this before I edit it. So, thanks for watching. My name's Andrew. This is another Make and Break YouTube video. More of a garage build stuff, but we'll get back to our Project Hyper 10 array over here. Ooh, sorry about that light. And the rest of our projects on the next few videos. So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all the YouTube stuff, and we'll catch you later.